Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Velar D240 R-Dynamic HSE in Aruba Gold. This car has previously had only one owner and is next due for a service in November 2021. You have 22-inch satin light silver diamond tone finish alloys, which really gives the car a nice exterior finish. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've ever got your hands full. As you can see, you have a lot of room there in the boot, so you can fit things such as golf clubs, pushchairs and holiday luggage. You do also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things such as caravans, boats and jet skis. Going round and into the front, you do also have keyless entry, so I can press that button to lock the car and the same again for unlocking it. Our dynamic tread plates and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light and nice to open on a sunny day like today or just for some fresh air. And you do also have a windshield. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage, which is a real luxury to have and ensures every journey is relaxing for you. Touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valeter can only access your climate control. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control. And you also have a blind spot monitor, which is helpful especially down the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must in the winter. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 12,282 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Velar in Aruba Gold. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.